I'm Teresa.
And I'm Shelly.
Thanks for watching our video. Okay, so exciting news. There's going to be a new block of the month by Anna Maria soon. It is called Rhapsody. And her first collection was called Bohemian. And she's been designing for 20 years now. And her next collection, her 20th anniversary collection, is called Rhapsody. So if anybody wants to sing along, no. Okay.
You didn't prep me. I had to know.
Right. So we are going to post signups for this next week. It's probably not going to be a subscription like our other block of the months. It might just be a one-time payment, and then you get everything, the fabric, the pattern, the templates. It all comes as one big thing. So it's going to be a beautiful quilt using her Rhapsody collection. It runs from September of next year and is 5 months long, but we will get it up for pre-order so that we know how much to order. So if you want it, let us know by either pre-ordering or let us know that you want to do it and you'll just want to pay for it later if that's something that we need to do.
It has monthly videos?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it does. So it's a kit. It comes with the pattern, 2 Mylar templates, the fabric, and monthly video tutorials like you mentioned.
Hey, speaking of Block of the Month, we have had so much interest in Ramble that we have increased our numbers yet again. And there are 9 more seats available in Ramble, just because you guys are so awesome.
Yes, you keep signing up because it is such a pretty quilt. And if you've done any of her Block of the Months before, you know she does amazing videos.
And that's Tara Fonin.
Tara Fonin, yep. So step by step, she teaches new techniques, new to you maybe. And it's so much fun to make her quilts. And they're in shot cotton, so can't get better than that.
Nope, you can't.
So just one more time, though, before I set this down. Rhapsody Block of the Month by Anna Maria. Yeah, she said that she's been giving us flowers for 20 years, and so now she's giving us vases. Let's see, I'm hoping I can find that fabric real quickly. So the fabric has vases on it. So now we have vases for all the fabric she's made for us.
Nice.
All the flower fabric she's made for us. Okay, now before I get too hot, can we show her makes?
Oh, I want to go first. Go ahead.
So we got in this yarn called Concentric by Haiku. It's 100% baby alpaca. It is so soft and yummy, and it has this color gradation to it. I decided I wanted to make it a little bit bigger so it went down over my shoulders more, and I totally played yarn chicken, and I ended up with this tiny little ball. I thought I brought it in here. Maybe I didn't, but
That's it.
okay, I bet I have a picture that I can have Carrie put up that has my yarn chicken pin next to the little ball of yarn that's left, and it was scary as I was finishing. But it's also a cowl that can sit just up like a normal cowl. Or if you get a little chilly, you can pull it down over your shoulders. Nice. It was really fun to make and fast.
Okay, we're going to stop here so Teresa can throw her make off.
Okay, so the other thing that I've been working on is this raven right here. It comes as a panel. The little square is the panel. It's about a 20.5 inch panel. And I just added some borders to it, 3 borders. And I'm going to quilt it with a cute little spider web design and hang it on my wall at home.
Oh, I have a spot right out here for it.
No, I want to take something home. So that's another thing I'm working on. I'm going to try to throw it on the long arm today if possible. Thank you.
You have to check it in first.
Yeah.
That's the rule here. You steal something out of the boxes, you got to check it in.
I brought the panel over here. Okay, it's by Focus on Fabric, and it just comes wrapped up in this little package, 20.5 by 20.5. Pretty cute.
Very cool.
And you've been working on something, right?
I was working on a birthday surprise. Carrie's going to insert a picture. Just so you know, I am a Michigan fan. It kind of hurt my heart to make this. No, not just kidding. The birthday girl is very much a University of Texas fan, and I made her this bag. We do not carry the Texas fabric, but all the other fabrics we carry, and the soft and stable, and the
Which
webbing.
pattern was it?
I made it up in my head.
Nice. Good job.
It's kind of a cross. I'd say the closest things we have are the Bailey tote, which is an amazing bag. and then the Denver tote.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
and I actually pieced the fabrics, which
You pieced again?
I pieced again. That's twice in a month. I
Do you
must
have a
be
fever?
sick.
Awesome. Nice job.
Thanks.
And already shipped off and everything.
Well, I gave it to her in person.
Oh,
So,
okay. Perfect. Okay. Monday markdown. Select yardage will be 35% off.
ooh, let's grab it. We have some fun Forest Fairies by Wyndham.
This will be linked below.
This is a great line of fabric. Comes in several colors.
Okay, Color Theory by Carrie Bloomston. This is such a great color. It's like a mix between blue and gray with a little, almost like a mauve gray in it. And this is also Carrie Bloomston from Paper? No, from Happy. From Happy. The color is Paper.
Here's another Happy.
Another one in color Marine.
And another, this is called Color Wash.
Good neutral.
Yeah. And then this line is called Verdure.
Verdure.
Verdure. Verdure.
It'll be linked below.
So yeah, that's our Monday markdowns. 35%
Wow.
off.
All right, and then Friday find is our holiday 108-inch wide backs. Of course, Halloween. Let's
Coming
see.
soon.
This is, it doesn't really say the designer, but it's Benertex. It's a plaid.
Pumpkin plaid.
And then you gotta love some spider webs. Is this Janet Wecker-Frisch?
I don't think this one is.
Oh no, this is, I don't know, Sophisticated Halloween. Is it my mind's eye? Yeah, my mind's eye. It's a Riley Blake fabric.
Think of who that one was from.
Here's, oh my goodness.
Here's a Christmas plaid.
Another Benertex plaid. Jeez, these things are heavy.
In case you don't know, the 108s weigh a lot.
And this is Snowburst by Lilac Bead Design. Ooh. Snowflakes. And another colorway of the same one. It's wiggly on the bolt.
Just a reminder, if you're having us quilt your holiday quilts, we need them by October 1st. That is the last day for us to guarantee that your quilts will be done in time for Christmas.
Yes. All right, more so new arrivals. I think we've got some Halloween stuff behind you here.
We do.
That's a cute panel. Costumes and Cobwebs. The Spirit to Create. This looks like a Rachel Hauer. Club Hauer.
Yes.
Cat Costumes, it's called. Am I upside down? No.
Nope.
Those are so fun.
Here's another one with the cats not in the panel and the pumpkins. That's really cute.
And this one is called Haunted Toile in orange. Cats, pumpkins, witches, spooky tree.
Bats, all the good Halloween things.
Yes.
So might I mention that we have again restocked our By Annie's mesh, our wool mats, wool ironing mats. Oh my gosh, there was so much in that order.
We just got
our elastic.
a ton of batting just came in the back door.
Yep. So we have. I know I saw wool, hopefully bamboo. We have 80-20 in the cotton poly blend, and then we have 80-20 in the cotton wool blend. So, yeah.
And in the 60-inch, I think we still have some bamboo back there.
And some cotton.
And the thin cotton.
Yeah.
So mesh, Bayani mesh. Ooh, these are some fun patterns. This is not a restock. This is a restock.
Restock of Stitch Supply zippers.
So many fun colors.
Yes. So much
Okay.
stuff.
And then new stuff. You want to show those
Yes.
patterns?
We got some great Halloween patterns. This one is called Halloweenies by McKenna Ryan. This is the first block in this pieced quilt. There's actually like 9. And then from Art East, we have Halloweenies. Not to be confused by Halloweenies by McKenna Ryan. This is Halloweenies by Art.
Our East Quilting Co.
Yep. Got restock of Oxbow Tote. Some more by McKenna Ryan.
Yep, prickly pots.
Fun table runner.
Succulents.
Yeah, make it into a quilt.
And then this is a quilt kit by Crystal Manning. It's called Parlor. Love those colors.
Yep, we only have 2 of those though.
Oh my goodness.
So
74 by 74 is, whoops. 74 by 74 is the finished size on that one.
yes, so lots of good things coming in every single day, and I'm getting caught up on my boxes.
Yeah, this is gonna be my favorite thing to show today, I think. Crochet your veggies, Amigurumi kits. Look at that pea pod,
Peapod.
those little faces. Here is the radish, an avocado, and a carrot. So cute. Comes with the hook, the yarn, a stitch marker, fiber fill, and a needle. So really everything you need.
Yep, and instructions.
Yeah, there you go. All right, I think we got all the stuff that was pulled out here for us. And classes.
Kimberbell's Comfort and Joy is coming up October 10th, 11th, and 12th.
Okay, 11th and 12th. It's a Saturday, Sunday, in case those dates don't line up with anything.
Saturday, Sunday.
Lots of cute little holiday things. There's this little wreath wrap or wreath sash. This cute little scene in this squared, rounded cornered squared hoop. Some towels, a pillow, another towel here. So a lot of fun things in this. And it's a 2-day event. We should get everything done within those 2 days. It doesn't always happen, but we do our best. But lots of really cute holiday things. So Kimberbell is machine embroidery. It's all done on the embroidery machine. If you don't have an embroidery machine or want to learn more about embroidery machines, let us know. If you want to learn more about the event, let us know. We're happy to talk about it. I'll be posting some pictures and videos later of me working on the samples for this event. And it's coming up soon, 2-ish weeks now.
Yeah, so if you want to do it, probably around October 1st would be about the deadline for me to get kits for you to do it if I'm shipping. Maybe like October 3rd if I'm getting kits for you in person. So it's coming up.
Yeah. Let us know if you have questions.
The other class that's coming up is the Archie backpack. It's a great size backpack.
I love these fabrics. Did Carrie pick these out? Oh, she did a good job.
Yes. It's got a pocket in the back, a slide pocket for like a laptop or an iPad, and some pockets in the front, a zipper pocket on the outside. It's a nice backpack.
Little bottle holders on the side here too.
Yep.
They're kind of small you wouldn't be able to fit big bottles in there. So cute. So that class is coming up on October 21st. And we have so many classes on the schedule. So go take a look at it. We can only feature so many things. So I think that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. And we will see you at the next one.